Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. Halo alamal ikat Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. So this is about modify your except block in exercise 10H and then to fail sensitively if either file is missing. So here we have like a code here that is just to copy here and then how to make to file silently if either file is missing. So, if your file is found error here, you just pass and forget here, and then you just yeah, it is will filing silently. There are no printed there are no outcomes if the file is not found error or missing. So let's try here. Python 3 10.7. Okay, so here we catch up with the codes and the output. The first one is because we have like cats.txt but we don't have the docs.txt, right? Because I delete the docs.txt. I delete these files and the content itself. So if the first loop is reading files and then the file's name about cats.txt here and then print all of the content here. Reading file here, the file name is cat.txt and then the content here. And second one, because we accept is Pust, we will printing here reading file here again because it is like the second loop, and then we just get the docs.txt here and then yep, that's all. There are no more contents because the content the docs.txt is I delete the docs.txt, but the file's name here there are docs.txt, right? So that's why reading file.txt will be printed here because here there are docs.txt for my file name, right? So why it is important to you just accept and pass here. I forget what's the point of getting the pass. Yeah, so here when a file not found error is raised, right? Because we get here the code in the except block runs but nothing happens. No traceback is produced and there is no output in response. There is no output here because there are no output in response to the error that were raised. Users see the words count for each file that exists but they don't see any indication that file wasn't found. So it is important, or maybe you can choose to using the past statement because it's a reminder that you as a coder choosing to do nothing at a specific point in your program execution, and maybe you might want to do something there later. That's the point. You using pass here because maybe you want to try a letter in your code. Yeah. For example, maybe we might decide to write any missing file's name. So our user wouldn't see this file, but we as coder will be able to read the file and deal with any missing text. So yeah, it is like just a simple trick. I think it's quite easy because somehow it's like just get past. That's the meaning of the fail silently. You know, there are something error, but yeah, you get it. It's quite interesting, right? So you just add to your GitHub here. Okay, that's our codes. Maybe it is just like several minutes, but I wanna solve one questions before about the class. Wait a minute. Hello everyone, because the questions is too short, I want to update here in the 9 15 in the lottery analysis, and then I get some suggestion for friends, for the viewers. Thank you so much. And how I can update here my code here. So here you can we use make a loop, and then how much we can get tries to wins here. So the problem is, if my output is like this, I'm sorry, I wanna how to shift control plus. Okay here. So here you the output, if my ticket is H, A, 2 and 3, and then the winning ticket is 2A, A3, this is the meaning is true, and then you get you are the winners. You get it because the winning tickets 2A, A3. But my definition is about lottery analysis is in order, right? Not here. If I got H, A, 2, 3, I'm sorry, it is in Dutch, 2, 3. So the winning ticket from the lottery company is seems like your ticket that H, A, 2 and 3, not here. Okay, so that's my definition. So I wanna update here my code to get about your ticket here, and then the winning ticket is same in order. Okay, so here I want changes in the checks ticket. This is checks ticket to check that you get the play ticket and then the winning ticket here. So I wanna here, and then you just add wait I forget it is for it. I think I using if, just only using if play ticket here is equal, and then the final ticket so here I think I don't need using if I just back here because it is here. Okay, so I just want to back that I buy ticket is equal that winning tickets. Okay, let's try again here. So your ticket 7A58 and then the winning ticket is 7A58. So it makes sense that you got the 32,000 to try to win. It's more than the first one, right? This is just only 5 try and then you get the win. But if you in order, it's more birds, it is more hard to you to win, right? So it is makes sense for me because it is in order. Yes, it is 42, yeah, and it tries to win. So I just cannot using 4 element in play ticket, not using if and then return false, but you just edit that the return is from the play ticket is same to winning ticket, and then you get the output here. So it is in order. That's about your ticket, and then the winning ticket from the company, maybe it's same in order. Then you that's your ticket. So it is more into tries to win. It's more hard to you to win. So it is makes sense for me to get to win. So it is just only 5,000, but yeah, let's try again. It's yep, it's again 7, 10 and etc. So I just change this here from this code to here to make sense. I think this more makes sense for me because I think it is in order, right? So thank you everyone. Let's add to my Github. Lottery analysis. It is quite interesting question actually. Very interesting. Okay, and then let's back to chapter 10, fail and exceptions. Let's try another questions. Bye.